For this recipe, I'll be making butter beans. This is 3 pounds of beans. Fill it up the pot of water. And I'm going to be using 2 sticks of butter. But I'm not going to put it until the beans are halfway cooked. I'll be using the large Lima beans. In this recipe, I'll be putting French fry seasoning, two tablespoons, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I added some more water as it cooks down. So far it's been cooking for 40 minutes. Put more water in it so the beans don't dry out. I'm going to cook it for another hour and see if I should add the 2 sticks of butter and the seasoning. Be right back. I'll put 1 tablespoon of fried salt and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. It's been cooking for an hour and 40 minutes. 30 more minutes, it should be done. The beans will thicken up for leftovers when it's put in the fridge.
This is where it begins. We're going to change the country to Naka.
Won't be this much liquid. If you like a little more liquid when you eat the second day, you can put a little bit more water. Here's the beans. To make a smaller batch, all you would need is 1 pound of lima beans, 2 teaspoons of fry salt or eating seasoning of your choice, and a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. For the 3 pounds of beans, and this took about 4 hours to cook.